We're going to attempt to make monkey bread today. Kyle's birthday was on Tuesday, but he wanted a big breakfast, and since I work at 5 a.m. in the morning, we decided to do it today, which is Saturday. But he found out this morning that he has to work all day. So this breakfast might turn into more like a breakfast dinner. But yeah, so we're gonna make that, and then we're also going to plant up some little seeds. I saved a milk jug, and we're gonna try to do that greenhouse thing, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it outside yet. I'm also not sure which plant I'm gonna put in here. We have like 3 feet of snow, maybe more like 2, but it's been snowing nonstop the last couple days. It's the last week of February, and I love the snow. If it's gonna be cold, there should be snow, but I want the snow to go away. I just got back from the grocery store, and I went to Dunkin' because I had a free coffee with my rewards, and I asked for coffee with cold foam, and there's no cold foam on this. So while we're at it, we're also gonna try to make some cold foam. Also, I have my camera backwards this time, and it's weird. Anyway, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put away my groceries. So if you're wondering what this is, it's not what you think it is. It's apple cider vinegar mixed with soap and like a tablespoon of sugar. If you have fruit flies in your house, this catches them. This is my 3rd cup I've had on the counter in probably like a week or 2, and I have 4 flies in it right now, but the last 2 cups had about 30 flies in them each, and I've been seeing less flies around the house, so it's working. I don't have a bundt pan, and every recipe I've seen has monkey bread in a bundt pan. So I'm just gonna put it in a normal pan. I hope this does not ruin my husband's childhood memories. According to the recipe, we cut these in half, and then we cut them in quarters, and then we plop them into the pan. If you have made monkey bread before and I am doing this wrong and ruining your childhood memories along with my husband's, please let me know. I upgraded to a larger pan since that one was a little too small. This one fits much better. So apparently I can't read a recipe. You're supposed to roll each piece in brown sugar and cinnamon before you put them in the pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This is gonna take a while. Since my husband is at work, I'm gonna put a lid on. This is the end result. Hopefully you can see that. This is my phone, so I'm sorry. But yes, they're all done. Since my husband's at work, I want this to be fresh when he comes back. I'm gonna put a lid on this and put it in the fridge, and then once he's heading home, I'm gonna do the butter and the brown sugar mixture and pour it over and pop it in the oven, so hopefully it's nice and warm when he gets home. I also forgot to eat breakfast, so I'm gonna do that. It's kind of more like a brunch, seeing how it's about 11 o'clock right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna do that, eat the breakfast, and then I'm going to start planting some seeds. So this is gonna be the setup. I have this tray thing that I had in college, and I figured I could put plants in this little greenhouse thing, and then I'm gonna poke holes in this old shoe box. I used to have nail polish in here, and I just didn't need that much nail polish anymore. So I'm gonna repurpose this into like a little greenhouse box. And back there, underneath that plant light, I'm gonna put the cart, and that's where we're gonna start propagating our seeds. So the seeds that I'm gonna try succession planting, I believe is what you call it. And so I'm gonna start out with peppers, both the types of peppers. And then I think we're also gonna try the lettuce, just a little bit, and we're not gonna use a whole seed packet. In case if this flops, I can use them more later. Also, I don't know if I should try the lavender and the other plants or flowers, or if I should wait. But I might try a couple and just see what happens. Also, I have like pressed flowers in this book from my wedding bouquet because I wanted to preserve them, but I have absolutely no idea what to do with them. So if you have any idea, I thought about maybe taking contact paper and making like a bookmark or something with them because I love reading, but I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna start planting up some plants. So for these ones, it looks like you just add water and they're supposed to grow. So we'll see if that works. I don't want to stay down. I don't know if that matters. But while those soak up water, we're gonna start filling these up with a little bit of dirt. I didn't actually count, but it's like 1.5 rows. That's 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 in there. And then there's these guys. They're growing. So, but they're not done yet. So I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm gonna put the peppers in this one. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of seeds. I don't know how many seeds I should put in each one. Just 1 or 2? I meant 2 seeds. So. I think that's all I'm going to do for the jalapeno peppers for right now. Back up. I'm going to label them afterwards so I know which ones are which. Maybe I should do that now. JB. No, JP. I can spell. JP. Jalapeno pepper. I think these guys might need a little bit more water. Alright. Now we're gonna do our sweet peppers. Plant 2. Yeah, I'll do 2 with 2 and 2 with 1. I don't know if that's what I should do, but that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do the lettuce and the chives. Lettuce will probably do the last 3 here. And the chives and maybe a couple of the flowers I'm gonna do with these guys, which for the most part, like they've really come up, you know. I might have to empty out the excess water because they look way too moist, but not bad. Right, they're done. This is what they look like. I labeled them so that I know which ones are which. Fun fact: lavender seeds smell very strong of lavender, which I was not expecting for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, so I'm gonna make sure these ones are definitely very moist, these ones down here. But I'm gonna moisten the ones in the toilet paper tubes. I don't think I'm gonna do the milk jug today. I might wait until it gets a little bit warmer because I'm gonna put that one outside. I also haven't figured out which plant I wanna put in there yet because it's going outside. So do a little bit more research on that. But yeah, I'm gonna clean all this up and stick it over by the light over there. And I guess we'll just sit and wait. This is the setup. This Monstera is struggling. I repotted it because it was in a different pot that was very small, so I'm hoping this helps. It's further back from the window. I think the bright light was a little too harsh on it, and it's, I don't know. I hope she's okay. But yeah, that's the setup. It's kind of tight back here. It's not the most pretty corner, but yeah. Grow, baby, grow. But that's everything. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep both those containers moist. If you're triggered by the word moist, I'm sorry, I've said it a lot in this video. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to keep those good to go. Kyle should hopefully be home soon. It's 5 o'clock right now, so pretty much the entirety of the day is gone. But hopefully he gets home soon, and I can, when he leaves work, I'm gonna try to pop that in the oven, the monkey bread that is, so that can be nice and warm when he gets there, and I'll try to insert a clip of his reaction to see whether or not I ruined all his childhood memories. But other than that, thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Did I ruin your childhood hopes and dreams?
Baseball.
Yay.